Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll teach you how you can use money.com effectively and efficiently. So if you're a newbie and just started with money.com, there are a couple of things that you should do in order to save your time and maximize your performance. So first off is for example, if you want to create complex workflows, like if you want to create event management, or if you want to create a business plan or business management in money.com, one way is to do it manually, but it will take a lot of time, especially if you are a beginner. So here is a very quick way to do so. All you have to do, under main workspace, you can go choose from templates, and here are a lot of templates, and you can search by their name, and you can select any template that you want to use, and it will do the job for you in less than a minute, so you don't have to manually do that. The second thing is automations. In money.com you can create automations to send data from one app to other or within money.com. So if you manually send email to your clients when your client has paid the invoice, it is not very effective. You can set up an automation by going to automate section and automating Gmail. Here you can automate Gmail, so whenever a client pays, you can automatically send them an email thanking them for their payment or whatever. So you should start using automation. This is the second tip. And the third tip is that you should use money.com's built-in feature to import data. For example, if you are previously working with Excel and you have all your database in Excel, and now you are manually entering it into money.com, guys, this is not effective. You gotta try this feature. On the top right corner, click options and then click more actions and then click import clients, and here you go. Now you can add your Excel files and import all of your workflow, all of your management into money.com with just one click. Literally, you don't have to manually enter the data for hours. So guys, these are some tips that can help you use money.com more effectively. I hope this tutorial was helpful. We'll see you in the next one. Thanks.